Do you know you can use layers in Fusion? Yes, if you are using Davinci Resolve 18.5 or above, then there is a node called Multi-Merge node, which has all the functionality of a normal merge node but in a layer-like structure. And also you can connect more than one node to this. For example, I connect some nodes to this multi-merge node. Now if I go into this multi-merge node, you'll see there is a layer-like structure. If you double click, you can rename it, and you can also move it up and down just like a layer. And down here you can find all the merge node properties. You can select any of these layers, and then from here you can manipulate the size, position, rotation, everything that you can do it in normal merge node. And if you untick any of this tick mark, it controls the visibility of that layer. Now you might say, what is the benefit of using this multi-merge node? Well, you can connect more than one node to this node, and you get also a layer-like structure, and you can control all the node from this one place. But there are some scenario where this node is more useful than normal merge node. Like for example, if you see this comp, this node has different elements which combines and make one image. If you see the layers, it has a cloud, some birds, another cloud, and a background, all in one place, making a one single image. And I can control all of them from here, which is very flexible. If I make this same composition with a normal merge node, then it might look like this, every single media on its individual merge node, which is fine if you want to control each of them separately, but I think this method is much easier in this case. There are few more features that normal merge mode doesn't have. If I select this merge node and decrease the blend slider, if I go to settings, and here I get the same blend slider which controls the blending of that image. But in multi-merge node, if I select any one of this image, from here I can control that particular image blending, and if I go settings, I can control blending of all the image connected to this multi-merge node. Another thing that makes multi-merge node different from normal merge node is ability to keyframe these layers. Let's say I want to appear these birds after 50 frames. All I need to do, go to the 50 frame mark, then add a keyframe, go one frame forward, and just uncheck the bird layer. And you see before the 50 frame there's no bird, but after the 50 frame you get the birds, and you didn't need to mess with the blending slider. And not only that, you can also keyframe the order of these layers. If I want this cloud to be under this bird layer after this frame, then all I need to keyframe, then go one frame forward, and then take the cloud layer under the bird layer. And if you play, like after this frame, the cloud goes behind the bird layer. How cool is that? Like if you want to do the same thing with this normal merge node, then you would need to make another merge node before the bird node and connect the cloud, then animate the blending of this merge at a keyframe, then go one frame forward, and then take the blending to 0. And now you have the exact same thing with this merge node. So I would say this multi-merge node is amazing. If you have any tips or any suggestion of using this merge node, do let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.